Alright, this is going to be a short test of a little firecracker using only 0.5 gram of black powder. But this black powder is potassium perchlorate, charcoal, and sulfur. It tends to be a little bit more reactive than potassium nitrate. So this is a 0.5 gram, like I said. Got it sealed up pretty well on both ends. So hopefully the failure point will be the cardboard tube itself. And believe it or not, the cardboard tube can make a pretty good report if that's what's holding it in, as opposed to the end caps blown out. So let's see what it does. Well, at the last minute I tossed it into a cinder block to kind of direct the sound upwards. I didn't want to scare everybody in the neighborhood, but whatever critter was roaming in the woods ran away. Anyway, that's pretty good for a 0.5 gram of black powder. Probably the best yet. Let me find the parts and try to see what went on there. Thanks for watching.